Welcome to our October 2025 construction update at Legato Heights. A glimpse into how far this vision has risen. My name is Sandra Edupoku, a property consultant with VAR Real Estate Ghana. Let's go to Engineer Lawrence for this month's construction update. Engineer Lawrence.
Hello, Sandra.
How are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm doing very well. The last time we were here, you were laying reinforcements, preparing for the third floor, which is really 6 floors, including the 2 basements and the ground floor. Where are we at this month?
Yeah, currently we are at the 4th floor. That adds another floor to it, making 7 floors from basement 2.
Okay.
And so basically what is happening now is that we are laying reinforcements, preparing to cast the 4th floor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And any other progress?
Sure. We've added 2 main activities to it at this moment, which is the partitioning block works, as you can see behind me.
Yes.
Then we are doing backfilling at some section, the western section of the tower.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Engineer Lawrence. And that's massive improvements for just 1 month.
Sure.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You're welcome, Sandra.
Our show house is still open with a dedicated office and a property consultant to attend to all your needs. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms.